Okay. There is a hot pepper that Eli Rimmers gave to me. It looks like this, actually. This is it. Now they've been warning me that this thing is subatomic. Now, I'm believing them, so as a safety precaution, right here I have me some milk. Milk right here, soy milk. Very vanilla, so it can be very sweet to confuse my taste buds in the case of emergency. Now, I also have this, but that's just to wash away the taste afterwards. Here we go. My head feels like it's expanding. Bite 2. A little bit spicier. At this point, my mouth is starting to burn. Here we go. The last bite. There, I did it. Now I'm gonna drink my milk. The only bad thing about this is, right now, it might not be too bad, but once it goes through my entire body, it's gonna be bad. So long. Ah, it's getting hot now. Ah, ooh, nah. Ah, 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 woo! Never again. Daddy's looking at me like I'm crazy. I bet I am. I'm gonna try some ice cream because this is this is my tongue. I'm okay. It's like my tongue and my throat. My tongue and my throat is burning. It's an excuse to get some ice cream. Eli now and it's here. I do. I'm gonna get Eli. You warned me. Oh. It's so much better. I think I've got it under control. If anything bad happens, I'll just turn on the camera again. This is my last video. According to the clock, I've been gone for about 3, maybe 5 minutes. And now you can see what happened to the ice cream. It is pretty much gone. And here's the remains of the pepper. And it is being